So here we are discussing interface with few examples. So for example, if we write this class vehicle, inside class vehicle we have three methods: void change gear, void speed up, void apply brakes. So uh, so this is class vehicle which is having three methods. All are the abstract methods. Now class four wheeler interface implements vehicle. So class is inheriting properties of vehicle. Now public void change gear, public void speed up, and public void apply brake. So these are three methods. Now this is another class which is two wheeler, which is implementing vehicle. Now public void change gear, public void speed up, and public void apply brakes. So these are three methods. So that means these are methods which are applicable to both four wheeler and two wheeler. Now this is second example of interface. So let us discuss about window button. Window button, that means when we open any desktop application. So in that application, for example, Mac button. So button can be motif button, that means modified button, or it can be Mac button. Now window text field, so it can be Mac text field, window text field. Now Windows window. Now Windows font, it can be modified font or it can be Mac font. So we want to implement this. Now for implementing this, we have public interface GUI factory, which has UI component, create component. Now window create window, font create font. So these are methods basically for component, window and font. Now implementation of GUI interface. Now public class Windows GUI factory implements GUI factory. Public UI component create component. Create Windows button, Windows text field. Public window create window. Create window for Windows. So basically Windows graphic user interface factory. So this class is implementing properties of GUI factory. So it has three methods: first create component, create window and create font. Now class modify GUI factory, which is belonging to GUI factory. So it has same methods: create component, create window and create font. So this is a real life scenario when we are using this interface. So this is main method, main class. This is a public class GUI app. This is a different class. Now client app. So this is our main function. Inside main function we have this object GUI app G is equal to new GUI app, new Windows GUI factory G dot show. So G dot show means show is method. So G is our object. So this is object 1, this is object 2, G and G1. So show is a method which is described here. Show factory dot create window, user input for UI component, that is button or text field or both.